Here she is, guys. 1992 Eagle Talon Tsi in Tennessee blue. What is going on, everybody? Thanks for checking in. I want to make sure that I thank everybody that subscribed to my channel. I'm definitely wanting to make these videos for you guys and get this content out with some of the cars that I've been sitting there working on. But I am going to school right now, so it's kind of thrown a little wrench in my plans as far as the release of content that I wanted to do. I do have some content that I'm sitting on, but I'm just really finding it difficult to put all that together for you guys. So I apologize, I really do. And I'm gonna work on trying to get those things out. That said, the updates. So as you guys know, I had been working really hard to try to piece together my unicorn. My unicorn being a 1GB Tennessee blue Talon. I went out and drove out to Snoqualmie to pick up a rolling shell. I then drove all the way out to Woodinville to pick up another shell. The plan was to, Frankenstein something together and then take the engine out of the red car that, the red Talon that I'd been daily driving for a while and use that as a donor to get the job done. Well, I got news for you guys. That is all gonna get scrapped by some work of the gods. I came across a 92 Eagle Talon Tsi in Tennessee blue, having only had 2 owners, and I picked it up. So that said, let me do a walk around on the car and show you guys what I got. Let's go. All right, guys, so as you can see, just a few things done in here, not a whole lot. We got the Mishimoto radiator with Mishimoto dual fans, a couple of bright coolant hoses. A little too bright for my taste, but it is what it is for now. As you guys can see, 14B exhaust housing's got a crack, so it gets a little hot in here. Today was a really hot day out here in Washington, and so I did have to have the heater on. But soon enough, we'll replace that with a 16G and just the hard pipe. That's kind of the extent of the mods on this thing. The goal will be just to keep it subtle, nothing crazy. I just want to drive it, guys. I just want to enjoy it. This is about the roughest of anything on it, and that is something I can fix. Other than that, though, about the only oxidation that we see, which typically is really common on these cars, is going to be on this deck lid, the hood, and the nerves. But what I was going to say, believe it or not, for this not to have the roof all messed up that way too, and the quarter panels and the fenders, like I really lucked out here, guys. Here she is, guys. 1992 Eagle Talon Tsi in Tennessee blue. I really didn't want to do anything to it until I was able to get some content together for you guys, and now that I have, now I can go ahead and get some stuff on here that I've been waiting on, such as the headlights. Plan to put some suspension on here. I got some KYBs with some Megan springs to drop this down a little bit. I'll go ahead and throw probably those black rims that are on the red car on here for now. Try to save these tires. So here is the interior, guys. As you can see, it's pretty clean. I mean, for the year, I really can't complain. Struts work. Hatch pops straight up. Got the hatch cover going on. Even got everything back here, guys. Check it out. Check this out. We're talking like the cardboard. We even got spare tire. We got all the equipment for the spare tire, the tools.